Hey everyone! Today, I want to share a whimsical tale about self-improvement and overcoming addiction. Imagine this, a little clay character named Charlie. Charlie's been battling a tricky addiction, but he's determined to reshape his life. First, Charlie takes a deep breath and acknowledges his problem. Acceptance is the first step, folks. He knows this journey won't be easy, but he's ready to face it head-on. Next, Charlie decides to set small, achievable goals. Instead of quitting cold turkey, he reduces his addiction one day at a time. Baby steps, right? Each small victory builds his confidence and keeps him motivated. Charlie also finds a support system. He reaches out to friends, family, and even joins a support group. Having people who understand and encourage him makes a world of difference. He replaces old habits with new positive ones. Charlie starts exercising, picking up hobbies, and even learning new skills. These healthy activities keep him busy and away from temptation. And when Charlie stumbles, because let's face it, we all do sometimes, he doesn't give up. He learns from his setbacks and keeps pushing forward. Progress isn't always a straight line, but it's still progress. Finally, Charlie celebrates his milestones. Each achievement, no matter how small, is a step closer to a healthier, happier life. So, remember Charlie's journey. Overcoming addiction is tough, but with determination, support, and a plan, you can beat it and improve your life. Stay strong and keep moving forward. Thanks for watching. If you found this story helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.